Good morning, all. This is V with Art of Wigs with V, and I am wearing an altered Estetica Jones. So this is a tutorial that I'm going to be presenting to you on how I trimmed her and made her go from about here on me to the length it is now. I would like to thank Frannie's Hair for sending Jones to me as a gift so I could do this tutorial. So I'd like to hear your thoughts on it, so feel free to comment, and also like and subscribe so that we know what kind of content might be helping you out. So enjoy, come back and visit me soon, and you have a blessed day. Hello, this is V. I'm going to attempt to trim a wig today. I'm probably going to film it without talking and then voice over it afterwards because my voice is lower and it'll be hard to pick up when I'm moving around. This is my mannequin head that I bought. Her eyes are approximately 1.5 inches apart from tear duct to tear duct, which mine are. I've marked where her cheekbones are at the edges where mine would be. They're about 5.5 inches across my face. Her circumference actually is 21 inches. And her forehead from the eyebrow to the hairline is the same as mine, 2.5. I've marked that. And she actually has from hairline to chin 7 inches, which is also what mine is. So I have also marked that she is 3 inches from the edge of her chin to the bottom of this black, whoops, got my camera off there, thing right here, which is what my neck is. In the back, I've marked where she is under here. Let me get that. She is 11.5 inches under the occipital bone over the top. And she is, maybe I didn't get this. Sorry, I'm jiggling this around. I need to do her ear to ear measurement. Give me 1 second and I'll attempt to do that. I'm going to pause. So ironically, she's exactly 11.5 inches from the hair. If I take the hairline measurement here, go 7 inches back and measure it ear to ear, she's 11.5 inches ear to ear, which is the same measurement as me. So I'm going to make an attempt here to trim an Estetica Jones wig into a shorter, but kind of a completely, totally beaten me. Meaning I bought it and was on wait list for it when it originally came out in about 2019. And it looked horrendous on me. It looked like I had absolutely no neck. I weighed a lot more than I do now also. I also didn't know that much then about how to trim hair or reduce permatease or do a lot of things with it. And of course, I had it in the wrong color. Ultimately, she ended up going in the trash because I just couldn't do anything with her. So I've had this vision for cutting it shorter and making it kind of funky and seeing if I can turn it into something that I might actually have fun wearing once in a while. So that's what I'm going to do, and hopefully I'll be able to film it as I'm doing it, although you won't be hearing me talk, and I will then, in editing, I will talk voiceover to tell you what I'm doing. So here we go. Okay, at this point, I'm sectioning it off. Since I would like the side pieces around the face to remain a little longer, I section them off and pin them up out of the way. And I'll deal with them and the bang later. But my goal is to get this so that the nape is not hanging down on the neck any more than 2 inches, which will be approximately where this black edge starts. I have T-pins in the nape and in the ear tabs. So because I want this to be 2 here and maybe curve down a little bit to meet the front edges being a little longer, I'm going to try to do the twist, gathering these together and twisting in the center and then cutting. And if this just is a big flop, this video will never see the light of day. This is where I have twisted the hair, and I will use my finger as the guide in this line down here to cut it. I'm shaking a little on my right hand. Sorry, it's not because I'm really that nervous. It's holding the camera in a weird angle, so I will sit this down and finish. Well, as it turned out, I was too nervous to cut on camera. So this is a picture of her on the mannequin after I trimmed her. I needed to point cut as well as straight cut in the back at the nape. And I needed to go in and do a lot of thinning at the root because it was just a lot of hair. These are pictures of it, not under a ring light, but just in the general lighting in the room, which is a great color. And you're seeing the sides, and you saw the first picture was the back. This is a picture of me in Estetica Jones in Silver Sun RT8 B4. I was trimmed. This is a picture of me in my grunge sweatshirt, no makeup, and no glasses. And this is in front of the sliding glass door with natural light coming in after it's trimmed. This is in the wig room underneath the ring light. I really like this now because it is a great throw and go. I don't like hair hanging down on my neck, so that takes care of that purpose. And I think it came out okay. Let me know what you think, and please like and subscribe, and have a blessed day.